Hello and welcome to another episode. My name is Manny and today I'll be making ground beef out of walnuts. It's a fact that walnuts are packed with minerals, but they're also packed with calories. Whether it's tacos or meat pies, you need to pay attention to whatever you go on to make with this ground beef recipe. Let's get started. Soak your walnuts in some water to soften it up. Let it sit in the fridge for 24 hours. Drain the water and process in your food processor using the pulse function. Scrape the walls and process again. So you want to process your walnuts until they look like this. Now it's time to make our ground beef. Let's head to the stove. Add some grapeseed oil to a preheated pan. Your heat should be set to medium-high. Add some chopped onions. Once your onions are translucent, add your processed walnuts. Add a quarter teaspoon of Celtic sea salt. Add 1 tablespoon of onion powder. Add a quarter teaspoon of dried thyme. Add a quarter teaspoon of black pepper. This is optional. Add 1 tablespoon of dried basil. Add a quarter teaspoon of cayenne pepper for heat and color. Mix properly and add a quarter cup of aquafaba. Cook for about 30 minutes while stirring occasionally. Add 1 tablespoon of coconut aminos for color and flavor. Cook for another 1 minute while stirring and you're done. Thank you for watching this video. My name is Manny and I make recipes from all over the world. If you want me to make a recipe, let me know in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all next week.